Hey buddy, today in this video we're going to be making pork tenderloin with Famous Dave's rib rub. It's an awesome spice. You should give it a try. We have here one pork tenderloin. It's a little bit over a pound. We have here Famous Dave's rib rub. It says here that you could use it on everything. It's a really great spice rub, and let's get started. I'm going to open this up. Go. Now wash my hands real quick. Okay, now we're going to add this awesome spice to the pork tenderloin. Make sure to coat the entire surface of the pork tenderloin and get any missing spots. And you can be generous with the seasoning. And we're just going to spray some olive oil into the pork tenderloin. And what's that? We're going to turn on the air fryer and set it to 400 degrees and let it preheat, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated to 400 degrees. And let's put in the tenderloin. We're going to spray some olive oil into the basket. And we're going to take the pork. There you go. And then we're going to put it in. We're going to set the time to 26 minutes at 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 13 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. Oh boy, it smells really good. Looking good. Let's flip it over. There you go. Then we're going to spray some olive oil on top. And we're going to put it back in for the last 13 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 26 minutes at 400 degrees. Looking good. Okay, let's take it out. Let's check the temperature. Okay, it's well over 145 degrees. It's good to go. And we're gonna let it rest for a few minutes. Okay, it's been a few minutes, and let's slice it up. Boy, it's really tender. Smell like a whole lot of awesomeness. Man, it's juicy too. Okay, this is what we have today. Pork tenderloin with Famous Dave's rib rub. It's an awesome spice. Give it a try. Hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Okay, let's give one a try. Oh man, that's really good. It's super tender. And that rib rub is fantastic. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.